Hi, my name is Nomer. I'm one of the wheelchair technicians in the Honolulu. Today I'll be inspecting this chair. It's a Prime Flight 24-inch folding chair. The first thing that I would inspect in this wheelchair is the handles. There are times these handles would be easily movable and it would pull off. So out of safety, I would change these and it would take normally about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I would look at the back cushion. No tears at all. And if there's tears and need to be changed, these are the Philip Morris screws that need to be changed. And it normally takes about, if it's all lined up, the holes, normally it doesn't line up, it would take 30 minutes. However, if it doesn't line up, it's between 30 to 45 minutes. Next would be the seat cushion. Same thing, the inspections, hoping all the holes will all be aligned with the cushion and the framing. It would take about 30 minutes. However, if it doesn't, it would be between 30 to 45 minutes again. Next would be the armrests. Armrests do cracks easily sometimes. And to change both of these would be 15 to 20 minutes. Next, the wheels. The wheels do get rusty a lot of times, and if I would to turn this, I'm sorry, this nut right here and this bolt will get very rusty, and normally it takes about 20 to 30 minutes on both of them. Next, I would be inspecting the signs, because the signs is obviously behind the wheel. So it would be right to say change the signs with the wheels at the same time. So the signs would take normally 20 to 30 minutes. The reason for that is because of residues that is left behind. It needs to be taken off. That's why it's 20 to 30 minutes on both sides. Next, the brakes. If you notice, the brakes is already starting to rust in this wheelchair, and they're actually very easy to fall apart. A lot of wear and tear happening here, and there are times bolts and nuts needs to be changed to something much stronger. So it would take about 30 to 40 minutes, because there's a lot of movements right over here, and it could be too tight or too loose, or else they'll just fall apart or they just be worn out easily again. Next, the footrests. The footrest would take about 20 to 40 minutes on changing these, and a lot of times would be rusty again, and sometimes this knob right here, if the rust is too bad, there are times it might fall off as well. So the estimated time to fix all of this would be approximately 20 to 40 minutes. Next would be the front caster. Front caster, this is totally encased, which is excellent. This should take no more than 20 minutes. However, it do get rusty, so the estimated time would be 20 to 40 minutes on both sides. And what it is that it, unfortunately, if I say so myself, I'm sorry, it can be up to an hour as well. So next is the anti-fold bar, which is right here. Anti-fold bar can be very tricky because these are not perfectly it doesn't perfectly goes to this size of this diameter, so you have to kind of adjust into it and bend it, use a hammer and things like that. So this would take about 20 to 30 minutes. Next would be the anti-theft pole. This is fairly easy to change, as long as there are times there's no room for the pole, theft pole. We just got lucky today. So for this design of this frame would take only 10 to 15 minutes. It can take longer because there are times it doesn't even fit this pole. And that's it, we're done.